Welcome students. Today we are starting chapter 3, that is data handling. Data handling means कुछ डाटा दिया जाएगा, उसको आप किस तरह से हैंडल करके रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, that is called data handling. Okay. Now exercise 3.1 question number 1 is find the range of height of any 10 students of your class. So in this questions find range. So range is equal to highest number minus lowest number. Okay, this is called range. So firstly we have to make a table of 10 students. Suppose here 10 students are Gunjan, Aditi, Nikhil, Riya, Akshay, Abhishek, Mayank, Rahul, and heights of those students are 4.2 in feet, 4.5, 5, and so on. Okay, so range is equal to highest height minus lowest height. So here highest height is 5.3. This is highest, and lowest height is 4.2. So when we subtract 5.3 minus 4.2, that is become our range. Okay, so range is 1.1 feet. It is clear? Now question number 2, organize the following marks in class assessment in a tabular form. Tabular form means एक टेबल के फॉर्म में दिए हुए डाटास मीन्स नंबर. So numbers are 4, 6, 7, 3, 5, 2, 6 and so on. Firstly we have to arrange the numbers in the tabular form. So tabular form have 4 columns. First serial numbers, second marks which is given in questions, now tally marks, and after that frequency. Frequency means ये जो मार्क्स वाले नंबर हैं वो क्वेश्चंस में कितने टाइम्स आए हैं, उनकी फ्रीक्वेंसीज क्या है. ओके, एंड नाउ tally marks is suppose we have to write 1, so tally marks 1 for 1, 2 for 2, 3 for 3, 4 for 4. But when we write 5, so firstly we have to write 4 and this become 5. Okay, suppose we have to write 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 5 and this becomes 6, so this is equal to 6. Okay, these are tally marks. Now firstly the given numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 9. Okay, now count 1 comes in 1 time, 2 comes in 2 times, here this is 2 times, and count 3 comes in only 1 times. Okay, and so on. So we have to see that these numbers comes in this times. Okay, now according to these number we have to draw tally marks. Suppose this is 5, so we are 5 right in the tally marks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here some questions. First, which number is highest? So here 5 is highest because frequency of 5 is more than the others. And which number is highest? कौन सा नंबर हाईएस्ट है? So numbers तो अपना 9 है, 9 is the highest number. And which is lowest? Lowest is 1, means छोटा और सबसे बड़ा नंबर फाइंड करना है. Now क्वेश्चन की what is the range of the lowest? इसकी रेंज क्या है? What is the range? So range is highest minus lowest, means 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, and last find the arithmetic mean, means sum of all upon total. This is the formula of mean. So firstly find sum of all numbers upon total numbers is 20 and total sum of 100. So when we divide 20 to 100 we get 5. So our arithmetic mean is 5. Okay, this is our answer. Now question number 3 is find the mean of the first 5 whole number. Simple, mean means sum of all number upon total number. So first 5 whole number is whole number starting from 0. So first 5 whole number 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 5 whole numbers. When we sum, so we get 10 and total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. So answer is 2. So we can say the mean of 5 whole numbers is 5. Okay. Now question number 4. A cricket scorer, the sum of 8 innings is this. Find the mean. सिंपल, मीन इज सबका पहले सम कर लो और जितने नंबर्स हैं उतने नंबर से डिवाइड दे दो. सम ऑफ ऑल नंबर्स अपॉन टोटल नंबर्स. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज find the mean. Here 2 teams are given. Sorry, 3 teams A, B, C. Now question number 1, find the mean of A. A का mean find करना है. So we know that mean is equal to sum of all number upon total number. So we are adding 14, 16, 10 and 10 sum of all numbers upon total कितने हैं 4. तो जैसे ही अपन डिवाइड देंगे so we get 12.5. For second, to find the mean of the point game C, would you divide the total point C by 3 or 47 and by? So in this question, firstly we can say easily that we should divide the total point by 3 because player C played only 3 games. In this for C, here जो गेम 3 है डिड नॉट प्ले, वो खेला ही नहीं गया. इट मीन्स कितने इनिंग हुए 1, 2, 3. तो सम ऑफ 3 नंबर्स अपॉन टोटल नंबर्स. ओके. सो क्वेश्चन इज would you divide the total points by 3? Yes, because it is played by 3 players. Okay. Now question number 3, B played in all 4 games. Would you find the mean? So this find mean only for B. Okay. B, for B we are getting to B. Here find for B. So mean of player B, that is only for B. B score of B is equal to 0, 8, 6 and 4. All 4 games. Okay. So when we find the mean, so sum of all numbers upon total numbers, so we get 4.5. This is the mean of B. Now question number 4, who is the best performance? So those have more mean, that is called good performance. Okay. Now firstly find the means of A, B and C. So here find for mean of A, that is 12.5, mean of B, that is 4.5 and mean of C, that is 10.67. So here we are saying that mean of team A is equal to 12.6. So player A is the best performance. Okay. Now question number 6, find the here some numbers are given and find. First question is hide the highest and lowest marks obtained by the students. It is clear, 95 is highest and 39 is lowest. Okay. Now second question, find the range. So we know that range is highest marks minus lowest marks. So here 95 minus 39, so we get easily 56. Now question number 3, mean marks obtained by the group. It means find mean. So we are knowing that mean is equal to sum of all numbers on total numbers. So adding all numbers and count the numbers, that is 100. So divide by 100 in sum of all numbers. So we get 73. So 73 is the mean of this group. Okay. Now question number 7. Here the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years as follows. Here 6 numbers are given, which is consecutive. Find mean of this. So easily sum of all number upon total number, that is mean. Okay, clear? Again question number 8. Here a table is given, that is a rainfall in Monday, Tuesday to Sunday. Okay, Monday to Sunday. First question, find the range. So we know that range is equal to highest minus lowest. Okay, so highest is 20.5 and lowest 0.0. So range is equal to 20.5. Okay, now mean. So mean is equal to sum of all number over total number. So mean is 5.9. And last, on how many days were rainfall less than mean. So we are getting mean is equal to 5.9. So 5.9 से lowest किस days में हुई हैं. So here 5.9, this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is 5. Okay, so we can say easily 5 days, Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday rainfalls. They were mean rainfall. Okay, now question number 9 is same as question numbers above questions. Here some numbers are given. We have to find highest, tallest girl, tallest, shortest, range, mean, and more than height of the mean. So this is your homework. Okay, question number 9 is your homework. Now exercise 3.2. The score of mathematics test of top 25 students as follows. These are some test numbers. Okay, how many students for, sorry, this is in out of 25. Find mode and mean. Now mode and mean, we have to find mode and mean. Mode are those numbers who are comes more time in the group. Okay, that is called mode. And median is a number which is between the given datas. Okay, now question number firstly we are arranging the datas in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to highest. This is our ascending orders. Therefore we have to find we have to find mode. So we are saying that 20 comes 4 times, means 20 सबसे ज़्यादा बार आया है. So 20 is our mode, and we are talking about median. So we are counting which numbers come between. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and from right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 20 is also our median. Clear? Now question number 2. The run score in a cricket match by 11 players as follows. ये रन्स दिए हुए हैं टेस्ट मैच के. फाइंड मीन, मीडियन एंड मॉड ऑल. ठीक है, एंड अगेन आर दिस सेम. सो firstly we have to find. Okay, we know that mean is equal to sum of all observations or sum of all numbers upon total numbers. So we get 39. And find mode. So here mode means those numbers comes more times. So we are say observe that 15 comes more times, so mode is 15. And median की बात करें तो median is also 15. Therefore mean, mode and median and mode are same, but mean is not same. So we can say easily that no, the mean median and mod are not same. Okay. Now question number 3rd. In your homework, find mod, median and therefore one mod. Okay. Now question number 3rd part first is your homework. For second, is there more than one mod? क्या यहाँ एक से ज़्यादा mod है? So यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं, we can say easily 38 comes 3 times and 43 comes also 3 times. So they both are mod. Okay. So the result is yes, there are 2 modes. Okay. Now question number 4, find mod and median of given data. This is your homework. Now question number 5 is a true false. The mod is always one of the numbers in data. mod दिए हुए numbers का data होता है. Yes, this is true. Mean is one of the numbers in the data. तो ये नहीं हो सकता because mean is the sum of all numbers upon total numbers. So this is false. Now third, the median is always one of the numbers in data. Yes, because median is the numbers which is between the given numbers, so the given groups. So this is true. Now question number 4, the data this has mean 9. So you can check sum of all numbers upon total numbers. So we are not getting 5. So this is false. Okay. Thank you. All exercise you have to solve in your fair copies.